Welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Canva. Yes, how to use Canva. So I started using Canva like a year or so ago, and I literally am telling I almost have quit Photoshop and almost regularly using Canva and actually getting money from Canva designs. Like there are tons of things you can do in Canva. So let's hop in the video, and just before going on to the video, just please subscribe and just press the bell icon if you like this video. After this watching this video, just click the like and if you don't, then just you can please just like, at least just give me a comment that I hate your video or anything. That's where I will get the motivation that you actually hate me. Yeah, so starting to the video, just go in. Okay, so just go to Google Chrome and type Canva. Okay, after typing Canva, you can see that this interface comes. So you have to just log in. If you haven't logged in or you haven't signed up yet, you can use the login button. And once you have logged in, you can see that your name or ID is coming here. Okay, now after logging in, so you can see that there are tons of things, like it's all templates, so you don't have to worry, you can edit everything. There are tons of things actually. Okay, most of my YouTube designs or Insta posts are used from Canva only, and I also have created tons of YouTube Canva designs for other clients and actually have gained some money. Okay, so just watch this video till the end, and you will learn something new. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to this button, create a design. Okay, first you will get a bit hazy that what are all these, like document, whiteboard, presentation, social media, video. Yes, there are tons of things you can see. These are actually templates. If you click any of this, like let's click social media, you can see that the social media posts or templates would appear in front of you, and you can actually edit any of the customized, like you know let's click on this. Okay, you can click and edit any of thing, like you can add anything. Okay, so moving on to the video, how to create it. So whenever you open Canva, you will see a create a design button. You have to click on this, and there are tons of things that's gonna come in a drop down menu. You have to just select any of the designs that you want to do. Like for this video, let's go with Insta post. Okay, so after clicking on Insta post, see there would be like another tag which would be open, and you can see that they're already pre-designed templates that's gonna be on your left hand side, and this is a white board, something like that. That is gonna be your main design. Okay, so how to use it, like let's say this happy birthday, it's looking gorgeous, man. Yes. Okay, did you saw how I just dragged it and just make it to the white area of my video? I did nothing, I just dragged it. Okay, so the best part in Canva is actually you can customize any of the things. Like let's see, I don't like this. What is this? What is this? Yeah, actually, just delete it. Okay, I don't like this photo. I want to put someone else's photo. Delete that, and you can actually drag any photo. Like, yeah, did you saw? I dragged the photo, and you can see. You can also edit the name. Like my name is Prasun Kumar. Okay, and you can write a message. Hey bro, you are the best. I think that you think, and this is something. Okay, you can write and edit anything what you like, and you can also write and delete all stuffs if you don't like. And on the leftmost corner you will see there are tons of things that is available. So let's go one by one. Elements are something that you see on, like, subscribe to this video. Woo, woohoo! Happy Valentine, man. when I will see to get my Valentine. Okay, so you can also just drag all these effects, elements. There are actually tons of elements. Yes, yeah, this is looking nice. Oh my god, a happy birthday and he's giving something. Nah, yeah. So, brand logo, that would be a much later topic. If you want to upload anything, like you can use the upload button. These are the text that you can just add in, like, let's wanna add, hey there. Oh my god. Yes, hey there. So you can see like there are tons of text. If you want to change the font, you can also change the font from Canva SaaS. There are infinite number of fonts actually. Yes, there are infinite, like, oh man, I've scrolled a lot. You can also change it, make it to bold, italic, and also change the color. Like I clicked on this and change the color to anything. Okay, so did you saw how easy it is to just change the color and just to drag and drop it. You can just make it to anywhere it wants you want to make it. And the best thing about it is the background exchanger. Yes, you don't have to go a lot of websites, you just have to come in Canva and you just see whenever I click this. Did you saw that how beautiful it is now? I just click on here and the background changes. Wow, this is something which is very unique. This is the pro version. Actually, I have the pro version. uh like Canvas, I haven't bought it, but there are tons of ways to just get how to use it for free. Please don't tell anyone, okay? So there are tons of background that you can change it, and you can remake it, your designs, and you can just export it. Like if you want to use this animation, like I want to use this animation as not this pen. Like, did you saw how beautiful it is? You can also change the color to anything, but it will change the whole color. Okay, so we can't change it. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. Yeah, this is a preview button, and if you want to share it, just click on the share button. You can download it locally. You can also share directly on your social media. So what I will do is I will download it locally, not mp3 for the time being. Let's make it jpeg. Okay, so it will convert into jpeg, like bng automatically, and once it has been completed, you can see this file has to be locally downloaded, and there you go. Yes, it's looking awful, but it's okay, for the time being, to make you understand how to use it for beginners. This is something which is actually very okay. You can add text, you can draw anything, like, yes, you see, you can draw, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, you can erase, you can apps. What are these? I haven't explored this. Okay, yeah, this is also very nice. QR codes. You can also add a QR code to this, you know that's how it is. So you can make the designs, styles. If you want to see the color gradient, see the color gradient changes for everything inside this brand logo. Uploads, you can also write in text. If you want, you can draw. You can also add the audio. Yes, this is actually very satisfying. Oh man, I want to cry. Okay, you can add audio, you can add background, which is the best thing that I've ever saw. The for Canva is basically for this only. Like most of the times I just used to just change the background color and just change or remove all the things that I don't like, and there you go. Yeah, yeah, there you go. Okay, that's how it is. Yeah, nice. Okay, so this was all about Canva video, and I hope you have understand anything, like anything. What a drag. Hmm. So please comment and like the video, and if you like this video, then please subscribe. And if you want to if you want to see more such videos, then please comment on the comment section, and I will just make sure that I completed all the queries and all, and make another video, and everyday video It's so much video in my head that my head has also become a video. So that's all about it. So see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.